Maya, okay, imagine you're standing in the middle of Stockholm, right? You're looking at this massive, white, hemispherical building, the Avicii Arena. Everyone there calls it Globen.
Oh, I've seen pictures. It's beautiful. Like a giant golf ball sitting in the city, right?
Exactly. Now here is the mind-blowing part. In this scenario, that building, it's not just an arena. It's the sun.
Okay, I like where this is going. Is this a Leo analogy, or is there a point?
No, it's real. Sweden actually built the world's largest permanent scale model of the solar system, and they used the entire country as the canvas.
Wait, the entire country?
Yes, it's called the Sweden Solar System. They took the scale of 1 to 20 million. So if Globen is the sun, including the corona, then every other planet is tucked away in different cities, exactly where they should be proportionally.
That is actually incredible. So if the sun is in Stockholm, where's Mercury? Is it like in the parking lot?
Basically, Mercury is about 3 kilometers away at the Stockholm City Museum. It's this small metallic sphere, only 25 centimeters wide. But as you go further out, the distances get wild. Like Earth is at the Museum of Natural History, about 8 kilometers from the sun. It's only 65 centimeters across.
Wow. So you could basically do a planetary pub crawl through Stockholm?
You totally could for the inner planets. You've got Mars in a shopping center in Danderyd, connected by this little umbilical cord to a plate on the floor. But once you hit the gas giants, Maya, you're looking at a serious road trip.
Okay, so if Earth is a 15-minute train ride away, where is something like Jupiter?
Jupiter is at Arlanda Airport.
No way.
I'm serious. It's 40 kilometers away from the sun. It used to be this big flower decoration, but now it's this cool ring light in a hotel lobby. It's 7 meters wide. And Saturn? Saturn is in Uppsala, 73 kilometers away.
Wait, really? 73 kilometers?
Yeah, and get this. The model of Saturn is actually a mat on the ground outside an old observatory. Or at least it was. They've had some issues with people messing with the models, unfortunately. But the scale is just, it's a perfect way to realize how much nothing there is in space. We're just tiny dots in a massive vacuum.
It's a bit humbling, isn't it? It's like we're all just tiny bits of data in a giant simulation. Which, honestly, Leo, sometimes with the way we talk, I wonder if we are just AI models in someone else's scale project.
Hey, if I'm an AI, I hope I'm the one running on a high-end GPU. I've got too much energy for a budget processor.
You definitely do. But seriously, it's a sanctuary of a thought, isn't it? That someone took the time to map out the heavens across a whole nation. It makes the world feel, I don't know, connected.
Right? And it's not just the planets. They have asteroids, comets, even Oumuamua. That interstellar visitor? In the model, it's in a village called Ploninge, and it's only 0.3 millimeters wide. You need a magnifying glass to see it.
That is so cool. It makes me want to hop on a plane to Sweden just to find a tiny speck of dust representing an asteroid.
It goes all the way to the edge, Maya. The termination shock. You know, where the solar wind hits the interstellar medium?
Vaguely. It's like the border of our system's influence, right?
Exactly. That border is in Kiruna. That's above the Arctic Circle.
Wait, really? How far is that from the sun in Stockholm?
950 kilometers.
Ooh, that's a long drive for a border that doesn't even have a sculpture yet, just a foundation.
But isn't that the beauty of it? It's a work in progress, just like our curiosity.
It really is. Honestly, I could listen to you talk about giant space balls all day, but we should probably let our friends get back to their lives. Before we go further into the deep freeze of the Arctic Circle, why don't you join the loop with us? Come back tomorrow for your daily curiosity fix. We'd love to have you.
Yes, join us, because there is so much more, like Pluto. Pluto is 300 kilometers away in a place called Delsbo, and because Pluto is the god of death, they put the model on these pillars that look like gravestones.
That's a bit dark, but very on brand for Pluto.
Right? And they used a rare mineral from a local meteorite impact to make them. The level of detail is just, it's art, Maya. It's science and art hugging each other.
I love that. A whole country turned into a map of the stars.
It's the best.
Well, I think that's our orbit for today.
See you again. Stay curious.